Westermans here again with another nice machine which has just arrived, which is the Swagelok M200 with a Series 20 head and fixture block. The machine is basically as new or new, as you can see from the welding head. It's not actually been used. Calibration is actually out. This was actually originally in 2024, was due in 2025, but obviously from that you can see it's obviously no longer valid, but still operational, so you can use it even though there's no calibration certificate. More details on this can be found on Westermans.com, also other Orbital machines and other Swagelok. Load up to see what version of software is actually in there. When she boots up, system 4.10. Like I say, more details on this and other equipment on Westermans.com. And obviously, as you can see in the background, one or two other orbital welders from AMI, Swagelok, ESAB, Polysood, Orbital, and much more. Thank you for looking.